ion implantation equipment is essential for semiconductor manufacturing. Inside it, numerous components endure harsh environments and support high-precision processing. Graphite is widely used in semiconductor manufacturing processes due to its high purity. This time, we introduce the features and benefits of our products used in ion implantation equipment components. Various materials. We propose materials suitable for injection conditions, such as high thermal conductivity materials and high hardness materials. Using appropriate materials extends service life and stabilizes beam profiles. Enabling shorter vacuuming times, improved efficiency through shortened mean time to repair, and reduced replacement frequency, enhanced yield, and cost reduction. Specialist engineer. Our experienced technical specialists provide comprehensive support. We offer wide-ranging solutions for diverse challenges. Feel free to contact us. Please use the contact form for inquiries.